Following the arrest of Chief Sunday Adeyemo, also known as Sunday Igboho, on Monday, his legal representative, Chief Yomi Aliyu San, has alleged that his client is facing inhumane treatment as his legs and hands are allegedly tied like an animal in police custody in Cotonou, Benin Republic. The lawyer, in a statement he released on Tuesday, claimed that Igboho is being treated less than an animal in police custody based on what he termed order from above, and may appear before a court on Wednesday, today, for an extradition order. Aliyu said, "Just about 3 minutes ago, I got a call from a reliable source from the authorities in the Republic of Benin that Sunday Igboho has been put in a very dehumanizing condition in a police cell in Cotonou. The source told me that they are under instructions by an order from the above that Igboho should be chained like an animal waiting to be slaughtered. He told me that Igboho was tightly chained to the floor and he is in serious pains. While I was talking to the source by telephone, I can hear our client crying and asking that the chains be removed and that he is in pains. But I can hear one officer telling him that they cannot remove the chains as they are acting on instruction." Aliyu insisted that the extradition order being sought by the Nigerian authorities may not likely sail through, given the status of Igboho as a political offender. He said, "I know that our client, Chief Sunday Adeyemo, would be taken to a Cotonou court, the capital of the Republic of Benin, tomorrow. The Nigerian authorities and security operatives that arrested him will be approaching the court for an extradition order to bring Sunday Igboho back to Nigeria, but it is not likely that the extradition order being sought for will sail through. This is because of the status of our client as a political offender who enjoys immunity against extradition. Like I said in a press release earlier today, even his arrest by security operatives was against the political nature of his offense. There is an existing extradition treaty between 4 West African countries of Nigeria, Togo, Ghana, and Benin Republic, which grants Igboho immunity from being extradited from the Republic of Benin. The extradition treaty of 1984 between Togo, Nigeria, Ghana, and Republic of Benin excluded political figures. It also states that where the fugitive will not get justice because of discrimination and or undue delay in prosecution, the host country should not release the fugitive. Article 20 of African Charter on Human and People's Rights, to which the 4 countries are signatories, made agitation for self-determination a fundamental right to be protected by all countries. The lawyer had earlier on Tuesday issued a statement wherein he detailed the travails of his client. He said, "It is a shocking news that Nigerian government has gotten Chief Sunday Adeyemo, also known as Sunday Igboho, arrested by Interpol in Republic of Benin, notwithstanding the political nature of his offense and what the DSS earlier said that they refrained from arresting him so not to overheat the polity of southwestern Nigeria. It is advisable for the Interpol and Benin Republic to be aware of the savagery acts committed in our client's house in the wee hours of July 1st, 2021, between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m., shooting their way through and killing 2 people in the process, and maliciously damaging his properties in the course of that illegal invasion. Though the invading DSS officers did not state any reason for their invasion to our client before or during invasion, they later paraded 13 people and ammunition, which our client denied being his, as he is a peaceful campaigner for self-determination, and it is on good record that the guns and ammunition displayed were the same displayed in 2013 in another instance. This could be seen in 2013 Facebook, though DSS has dismissed this on their website. But what they cannot deny is that when they were leaving our client's house, they left with 2 corpses and people arrested and nothing more except 2 guns belonging to the police escort of Mr. Adisa Saheed Olalekon. One of the people they killed was one Mr. Saheed Adesa Olalekon of Oladamans Motors, Oshogbo, who came to Sunday Igboho's house to discuss auto business. He came with 2 police escorts. Though the policemen were not among the people paraded to the public, their guns were among those displayed. Aliyu claimed that Igboho cannot get justice if he is extradited to Nigeria, adding that those arrested in his house had been detained for more than 21 days without access to their lawyers. We urge the good government of the Republic of Benin and international community, especially Germany, to rise up and curb the impunity of the Nigerian government by refusing any application for extradition of our client, who already has application before the International Criminal Court duly acknowledged, he had stated. The news of his detention came after he had earlier been reported to have escaped to Germany with his wife, Ropo, though his lawyer had insisted that he was not aware of his release. Nigerian government had also maintained a sealed lip about the drama of his arrest. The freedom fighter is on the wanted list of the Nigerian government, with the international police, Interpol, expected to pick him up whenever he's seen and extradited to Nigeria. The bilateral agreement between Nigeria and other friendly nations has seen wanted Nigerians forcibly brought back home, with the latest being Igbo's separatist leader Nnamdi Kanu. Sunday Igboho was said to have been picked up at Cotonou International Airport en route to Germany. Efforts to get an official response to the Igboho'S saga failed. Calls to the phone lines of Dr. Peter Afunaya and Frank Uba, spokesperson of the Department of State Services, and Nigerian police respectively, rang out and were not returned. WhatsApp messages to Afunaya were also not replied as of press time. However, a police source said efforts were on to iron out certain grey areas to avoid diplomatic crisis between Nigeria and Benin Republic in the process of extraditing Igboho. Prominent Yoruba leaders Chief Banji Akintoye had earlier said legal efforts were being made to prevent Igboho's extradition. Akintoye, the leader of Ilana Omo Odua, the umbrella body of the Yoruba Self-Determination Group, in a statement by his communications manager Maxwell Adeleye, said he, alongside other Yoruba patriots, are working to get assistance for Igboho. He said efforts had been made to secure the services of a leading and highly respected lawyer who the organization can confidently rely on. Pan-Yoruba sociopolitical organization Afenifere said it was studying the situation surrounding the arrest and detention. Its National Publicity Secretary, Comrade Jare Ajayi, said the news of the arrest was a surprise, but that the organization was still studying the situation before making a formal statement. He charged security agencies to channel their energies more into hunting bandits and terrorists instead of harassing those peacefully agitating for the right and better deal of their people. Ajayi said, if half of the energy deployed to apprehend Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho had been deployed to tackle the menace of terrorists and bandits who kill, rape, rob, and kidnap people, we would not have been in the unfortunate security mess that we are presently in. It is hoped that government will direct more attention to addressing issues that gave birth to ethnic agitations. The earlier this is done, the better. It's so unfortunate. It's just been revealed that Igboho is in a terrible condition. He's been chained like an animal in Cotonou, and Buhari is fighting tooth and nail to get him back. But the good thing about this report today is that there's a treaty between these four countries, Togo, Ghana, Benin Republic, and Nigeria, for immunity for politicians. So with that, most probably Buhari will not be able to get it. So anyway, we're praying and hoping that Sunday Igboho will be released. You know, he has the support of a lot of people. He's well respected. He's been tagged the hero, the one that stood for his community. Well, guys, let's hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. Thank you once again for staying tuned. Please don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe till I come your way again with more updates. Bye.